Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection but you cannot reach any website on your browser in Lenovo Yoga tab. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Chrome and let me show you that I won't be able to reach any website, for example Google or YouTube. It doesn't work. Now to fix this we need to go back and open our settings. Select System at the bottom, go for Date and Time, and right here activate Use Network Provided Time options. Now we can go back to Google Chrome and refresh a page. As you can see, it works fine. The same as with Google, we can refresh it as well. And it works great. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.